Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you why the Google Play Store may not work on your Amazon Fire tablet no matter what you do, and what you should do about it. Okay, so we have a video on how to download the Google Play Store on your Amazon Fire tablet and how to get it working. So please do check through our videos to find that particular one. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using the Amazon Fire HD8 Kids Edition 2020 version. Okay, so on this tab, we already have lots and lots of apps downloaded, including the Google Play Store. So let's just get right on into it. Okay, so let's assume it's my first time of using the Google Play Store on this particular tab. You click on it and then you're supposed to enter your email address. So the reason the Google Play Store may not work on your Amazon Fire tab is if you use a child's email address. So if you use your child's email address, not an adult's email address, then it would not work. So even though the Google Play Store, you can bypass some restrictions, there are still some, there are still some restrictions that you cannot bypass. Like example, you cannot use the Google Family link on your Amazon Fire tablet. That is why you can't use a child's account to log into the Play Store. So if you keep getting errors, can you say can't add account, that is what you continue to get. You think it's network or something, but it's not network. It just won't work because it's a child's account. So now let's try using an adult account. So I'm going to try that now. And let's see if it works. Let's see if it works. Okay. Now, hold on for it to boot. Hold on, accept, enter your password, and voila, we're in. Can you see? With an adult's email account, your Google Play Store would definitely work. But if you use a child's account, then you will not be able to use the Google Play Store on your Amazon Fire tablet. So if you have been trying to use your child's account on your Amazon Fire tab, it may be the reason that the Google Play Store is not working on your Amazon tab. Thank you very much for watching. Do subscribe, like, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. I hope you learned something new today.